Dear students, today we are going to see DHCP simulation process. Here, first we have to understand what do you mean by DHCP. So DHCP is a dynamic host configuration protocol. So what is the main purpose of DHCP means? First, basically it is used in a large network. So the working processes is used to assign IP address to all the process connected to this DHCP server. It will assign the IP address automatically to all the processes connected to this DHCP server. That is the main task of this DHCP server, right? So now we can see the simulation of DHCP process. So for that, I'll take some end devices. So here I am taking 2 PC. Here I am taking 2 PC. I am taking 2 laptop. Again on PC. Like this, a 5 processor I am going to connect with the switch. So now next I am taking the switch. Again I am taking on server. So now we have to connect all these end devices to the switch. Okay, so for connecting I am using this automatically connecting type cable. Through this cable I am connecting all the devices, end devices with the switch. So here, once I try to connect the 4th device, automatically it is showing the cable cannot be connected to the port. So again I check it once again. Again showing the cable cannot be connected to port, right? So for that what we can do, we have to configure the switch. So it can able to connect 4 devices. I need to connect I need to connect 5 processor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to connect 6 devices to the switch. So already I connected 4. So 5th and 6th device I need to connect to the switch. For that I have to configure the switch. Click the switch. Click the zoom in option. Zoom in. First we have to turn off the switch. After that I am taking one switch and I am keeping inside this port. I need 2 processors to be connected to the switch, right? So 2 processors I am fetching and dragging to the port. After this, after once dragging, I need to switch on the switch. Okay, I'll on the switch. After that I'll close it. So now after doing this configuration with the switch, now again I'll try to connect with the cable. Now it will accept, right? So this way we are connecting more than 2 devices to the switch. Next, this is the first step, right? Next step, I have to configure the server. I'll click the server, go to desktop, go to IP config. Here I am giving one IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay. Next I'll click the subnet mask. Right. After that, I'll close this. Once I configure this one, I'll close it. Next, I have to make a DHCP connection. So I'll go to service, Click the DHCP. Here I have to give a default gateway. What is the default gateway? 192.168.1.1. Whatever IP address we have given to the server, DHCP server, same thing will be acting as the default gateway, right? I'll click this one. Now I have to switch on the DHCP server, right? So now we can able to see the starting IP address will be 192.168.1.0. Okay. So how many number of users can able to use this server means 512 users can able to use the server, right? Okay. So once we switch on this DHCP server, we can close this, right? Next, once we configure the server, now I am going to check whether this server allocate an IP address to all the processes connected to the server. Whether it automatically allotted the IP address or not. I have to check this. So I'll click this PC first. I'll go to desktop. I'll go to IP config. Here I have to click the DHCP. See here, you can see automatically an IP address is assigned to this PC. Yes or no? Yes. Same like this, I am going to check other processes also. Right, I'll close this one. Again, I'll check this end device. Same like this. Go to desktop. Click the IP config. Click DHCP. Now please check here. Yes, IP address automatically assigned from DHCP server to the another end device. Right, like this I am checking all the devices connected to this server. Okay. Click this DHCP. Yes, IP address is assigned. Okay. Like this you check all the end devices whether it's assigned or not. You check this one. All the devices assigned. Now I have to check whether this PC0 is connected to PC1. So for that I will click this PC0. Then I'll go to command prompt. I'll ping. I am sending a message ping to PC1. I am going to ping a message to PC1. So here the server IP address is 192.168.1.1, right? This one is 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. This is 1.6. So I have to give 192, right? 192.168.1. Which one? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Enter. Pinging to 192.168.1.6. Request timeout, right? So once again I'll try this one. Yeah, packet sent. Ping received last 4. Packet sent. Send packet is 4. Received is 0. So once again I try this one. Ping. Before pinging the command, I'll check the IP address of this one. To desktop. For my configuration, I'm checking the IP address 192.168.1.6s, right? So now we can ping that. I'll click this. Go to command prompt. Ping 192.168.1.6. Yes, reply. We got a reply, right? So we can able to receive, like packet send is 4, received also 4, lost is 0. This way we can able to check whether all the PCs are connected to each other or not. We checked, right? So first this DHCP server, once it automatically assign the IP address to all the processor, then next we are checking whether each processor are connected to each other or not. We are checking, right? Now we checked by using a command prompt. We checked both are connected with each other. Now I am taking this PDU and I am placing in the laptop 0. PT0 and laptop PT1. Whether it can able to transfer a mail or not, message or not. See here, yes, successful. We can able to transfer message from laptop 0 to laptop 1. Right? Check the simulation also. See here, check the simulation. Check the simulation. Yes, we can able to transfer a mail from laptop 0 to laptop 1, right? So that's what students, I hope you understand. Thank you so much.